Our sign language interpreter is Byron Abuli. Now, the High Court in Nairobi has temporarily closed the deal between Kenya Electricity Transmission Company and Adani Energy Solutions, a subsidiary of the Indian conglomerate Adani Group. The deal, signed on October 11th, valued at 95.68 billion shillings, allows the Indian company to develop, finance and construct and operate critical transmission lines and substations across the country. Justice Bahati Mwamuye also stopped Kenya Electricity Transmission Company, KBC, and Adani from entering into any agreements until a case before the court is heard and determined.
This will be the second time the courts have interacted with the Adani Group in cases filed at the Milimani Law Courts. Aside from the controversial JKIA-Adani deal that is before the courts, the High Court on Friday halted the 95.68 billion shilling Ketraco-Adani deal announced on the 11th of October by the Energy and Petroleum Cabinet Secretary Opiyo Wandayi. Justice Bahati Mwamuye also stopped Ketraco and Adani from entering into any new deal. The president on Thursday defended the multi-billion shilling power transmission projects awarded to the Adani Group under the public-private partnership framework, urging Kenyans to embrace such initiatives.
The Adani Group are investing in the transmission line. Their money, 95 billion. We would have otherwise gone to borrow that money, burden the people of Kenya. This is now a private sector investment, the same way Keshan here is a private sector investment, the same way Sosian is a private sector investment. We will pay for that transmission line using a wheeling charge that has been negotiated. And it is important for us as a nation to appreciate that a partnership between public and the private sector gives us a win-win outcome.
The Law Society of Kenya LSK sought conservatory orders suspending the implementation of the project. The petitioner contended that the agreement is a constitutional sham and is tainted with secrecy and is short of principles of integrity. LSK also faults the government for allegedly not conducting meaningful public participation in the proposal and for allegedly not undertaking proper due diligence of the proposal, contrary to the constitutional imperatives and provisions of the Public-Private Partnership Act. The case shall be mentioned on the 11th of November 2024 to confirm compliance and to take further direction. Abdiaziz Hashim for Easy Friday.